Okay, we are going to be doing experiment for lab number 2. I have my lab worksheet, my pens, my noodles to do my experiment, and then my pot here. So first step is we're going to be videoing us, so hello. And then it says to put 4 to 5 large handfuls of our noodles or whatever. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we just made a mess doing that though, so I'm going to clean up a little bit here till my little puppies will not eat that. Alright, so the first thing that we do after we do that is we write an estimate of how many of the product that we've put in there. So I'm going to guess roughly that we have put 110 of the noodles in the pot. So step 3 is now we will use the mark to recapture technique to estimate to get an estimate of the population, pick out a handful of beans, and count them. So we'll just reach into the pot here and we'll get a handful of beans. And we're going to put them down here and count our first sample. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So we pulled 24 out with our first pull. It says mark the individual with our marker before we release them back. So we're going to color on these a little bit here so we will know what is in our population before we put them back in. I don't think I've colored on noodles since kindergarten when we were doing art projects. So this is kind of fun. Alright, so we've marked on each of the noodles here and we're going to put them back in our pot. Alright, so shake around, and then we're going to grab another handful. And this will be our second trapping. And then count how many we pulled out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we pulled 21 out that time. And then we're going to count how many of the beans in our second trapping were marked with our marks from before. So we're just going to take a look here and see what we got marked. So there's a couple there. And one more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 in our second trapping that are marked that were from our first. So we are going to use the equation from above to calculate our estimated population. So n is going to equal so we're going to have our m is 24 equals our n is 21 and then m is 5. So you get the calculator here. To make sure that I have this correctly, so capital M is 24, little n is 21.
I'm never going to meet someone like him again. Oh my God, stop being so dramatic, Carlos. He's a great guy, but he's not what you need. Not what I think.
4.2. Okay, so now we're going to count the actual number of whatever is in our box here. So we're just going to answer this. So we're having something nice to put here. So we know that 200, 1, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 68, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 76, 77,